I'm at surfingtheapocalypse.com, and there's something very interesting here. Someone noticed last year in October that what seemed to be an actual dragon shape was showing up on the radar, and this, I believe, was in October, and it was before we got the really terrible storm. And a person brought this up because what they noticed was that the same dragon type shape formed on the radar right before the terrible snowstorm that we're having right now. So here's a recent radar photo, and the person that put this up said it seemed to remind them of a dragon. You can see the long neck, the head bent down, the two blue wings on the back, the purple band running through the body, the claws in the front with the legs and the tail extending way down. And here's that shape reduced in size just a little bit. See the long neck leaning over to the left, the head, the two blue wings coming out of the back, the band, the green leg and claw hanging down, the spikes on the back, and then the long tail extending down. And here's how they diagrammed it, drew a line around it to show what they're talking about. It does look like a dragon shape. Just a thought, but it is kind of odd that this winter storm would assume that very same dragon shape. Here's a close-up of the radar with a line drawn around it over a map of the U.S. And you can see the feet in the back, the long tail that extends down into the Gulf of Mexico. It's over the states it's affecting with this terrible winter snowstorm. And here it is, without the line drawn around it. The tail extending down. And then the wings behind the back over the states that are being affected. To me it looks like there's an open mouth on it. Can definitely see the spikes along its neck. And I can see the leg with the claw and the 2 feet dangling behind it. Just a thought, but who knows? We live in a pretty crazy time. It's a good observation by someone. And this is going back to what it looked like last year. with a long tail right before the bad storm last year. Could be that a power of the air was invoked to bring about this storm that is going through the middle of the country right now and eastward. It's strange, but who knows?